na Kofi Kinaata so wakopei ho na wakatsena the same UN headquarters na onye mpanyufu reason komo. And it brings us to the fact today afraba ehu mensma wo horo wonsa enyi mpanyufu na enyi won edidi nti Kofi nye oye ne manager na I don't want peace. I want problem. Hello, ebusiafo wo frey sade ye aba na asam papa ze obefie na osede ye cha definitely oyede yetum yezu hu komo Kofi Kinaata watu ye him na Kofi Kinaata America say Kofi Kinaata was US of A American or ye city our friend in New York City na baby sade ebazo na ozi Kofi Kefri wo Kofi all represent war Oye International Dialogue on Migration 2024 na the UN headquarters na Kofi wo. Now this is something that brings a lot of smiles on our face because in Iko UN officer there is only one Kofi that they had always known, only Kofi Annan. Yes, infantini papa bia okotsena UN oye secretary otu yenyim kama and he took our name out there UN secretary Ghana in Kofi osanzo yamfantini na Kofi Kinaata so wakopei ho na wakatsena the same UN headquarters na onye mpanyufu reason komo. And it brings us to the fact today afraba ehu mensma wo horo wonsa enyi mpanyufu na enyi won edidi nti Kofi nye oye ne manager na Kwesi Kumsin ne PRO forgive me ne PRO na Kwesi Kumsin na ne body crusade ne fellow pastor oye Donzi Chaka and I walk special conference you called in New York. And now I'm going to share some of the videos and some more called, but I think this is a good cause. Abasha Kofi Kinaata ya nyumbi about migration. Ya wonkofu bebre na wafa kwani bido wadi to kwan binom nam desert wanam stowaway naze. And I think UN has been campaigning about this illegal migration. A lot of African youths, African young guys, and what's the one who's shaming or dangerous. But I mean, Kofi Obia, when it comes to good message and good content, definitely they will include him. Until I remember, I stand to be corrected. It could be either 2018 or 2017. Yes, and Kofi and Nyumbi, there's no place like home. Na Basha, I mean, you mean, oh yeah. UN, dama particular departments, and I watched illegal migration, and I was sponsored. I mean, it was a very good song. Manka said that is one of the favorite songs from Kofi Kinaata. Me Peppa and see. These are some of the videos or yeah conferences and Orichegu. Kofi Kinaata was UN. Kofi from Kofi Annan to Kofi Kinaata. Yanshe. In Tibasha, that is Kofi Kinaata on your team. Na black and white, the way these days black and white are beneath and disco in the Kofi Kinaata, no, or performing or yeah, abrofun offbeat and Saweze or to that 6 and 9. See, this is what is going on with New York City, UN. Kofi is going international, new corporate events are performing in Ghana. High profile Boston executives and IOM for so what sa what our friend will US. So we are happy for our brother their way to make pray baby Basha. Most of the dignitaries are Ben, so they took pictures with him because this is an icon. This is a Kofi, Kofi or US. And the interesting thing is that right after the conference, our brother is flying back to Ghana because of other things. I wanted to speak to him yesterday, but time went to my mind and Hongkwan Yankasa. But I'm sure very soon on this platform, definitely have a conversation with our brother Kofi Kinaata. Inti Kinaata.un table one This is the reason. Or your illegal migration for war conference are not there. One shemiza or your New York City and what to friend. The Kofi ambassador come and be part of this particular event. No kwe ordinary nyamodina dream ordinary nyansa kwe koteyechu, and this is beautiful. I say one more than I want share na one man in predominant case one who the Kofi is doing something right. And music is not only about controversies nang to kwana simna come na I am day. Obi Well, because the CC about joining with who video ninti, I'll take this opportunity to still show this video again. Naza we who video no who Kofi we do America no yin pay foot ponodo. This is beautiful. This is encouraging. And we need to encourage such acts. Yes, Abadimpo. Me assure the way I could feel a job with the Abadimpo that Friday night. And then Charlie, it is beautiful to see that your works are going international, not just international, but global brands, and I will recognize you. Big ups to the team like Nana Kwesi Kumsin. Big ups to Ojo Williams, manager one. Big ups to Abeku Breezy, Lazy. I want to be there. US, what are the Ebo? Shout outs to Tobas Anero Denke, number one fan. Loso, 2 bars. Timini na there are a few sites I will post and the comments and the reviews there was encouraging. And I'm very proud of making a comment in the one. But under the video, one comment in the kakrana. People are also interested. Proud of you from Mami Abna Oforiwa. Yes, Kofi Kinaata so Odi in Paibodi Dana says so proud of you. Proud of you, Bebre Steven Saki. Also, I can see you had fun. Kudos to Kofi Kinaata. You keep making Ghana proud. Yes. In congratulations to the king, Oni Elizabeth Gazing all the bay. Oh yeah. You are blessed, my brother Lawrence Yamoa. Congrats from Yakubu Fuseni. Blessing. Say no to illegal migration. Yes, that is the title of that song I love so much. Only Kwame Draco, North Bay. Center for Integrated Suitable Livelihood and Governance, Ghana. It's a very big organization. Was great. We must partner with you from Upper West region. Migration should be positive. And Kofi Kinaata said, "Woni EP launching there. Hustle be ala onwe pan." He doesn't support it. If you have to migrate, you have to migrate in the right way. Menkeye bibi ochina bohwe wonkwa. Mentei obina asem obekede adwuma wa ha bokona besia wode wa akahye tutu brem na ashawo brem, go help you. And so this is what really happened wo Oye New York yesterday. Congrats to the man, congrats to Team Move and everybody. My name is DJ Parker Rich, and then this has been Parker Rich Studio. Subscribe. Here you will get all the up-to-date Kofi Kinaata news right on this platform. Yakawan and all Ghanaian trending issues in Zenuhian Ahanabinga. Bye-bye.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.